Can you show me chicken? Chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken pecking the ground? Can you show me pig? Can you show me horse?
Nay. Nay.
How do you sign horsey?
Nay.
Can you show me the sign for horsey?
Nay. Nay.
Nay.
Can you show me the sign for duck?
Quack, quack.
Can you show me the sign for frog?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Can you show me the sign for silly? Silly, Jordan's silly. Can you show me the sign for happy? Is Jordan happy? Is Jordan sad? Is Jordan grumpy? Very good. Can you show me the sign for kitty cat?
Meow.
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 Meow. Wow. Can you see the sign for milk?
Milk. Milk.
Milk. Very
More
good.
milk.
More milk.
Yeah.
Very good.